Hello class and welcome to week 5 of ACLT 053 online. For this week in ACLT 053, you'll be still working out of the health module. So let me go to the discussion board which is which I would like you to answer at the end of the week, so please follow the calendar to look at what you'll have to do for the end of the week. For this week in ACLT 053, you'll be working on the Health Week 2 discussion board. For this week, you will be reviewing everything that you've learned about in English 101 with regard to fulfilling the quote analysis chart. So you're in English 101, you have to complete a quote analysis chart from the readings for weeks 1 and 2 in the health learning modules. Now, I'd like you to kind of reflect on all that you've learned about food and health and the food processing industry, and answer one of the essential questions. And answer the essential questions listed here. 1. Are American food industries deliberately deceiving consumers on where the food they eat come from? 2. Would implementing a food policy by the government in the U.S. really save millions of American lives? And 3, if overeating is an addiction, should medication be used to curb chronic obesity? Of course, I want you to consider how these experiences connect to the articles you've read in weeks 1 and 2 of the health module. You may also list personal information, personal examples of how you can support the points that you've made. You can also explain how these examples support or discredit the articles that you have read in these weeks. Of course, I would like you to respond to these questions in 2 to 3 paragraphs by topic. Include 2 examples from the sources, choose a direct quote and/or paraphrases. Use MLA in-text citation and include a works cited page. After you've done that, please respond to 2 other peers regarding this. And then for the following day, I'd like you to do a reading and writing reflection on what you've learned about in Module 2, the health module. So you will talk about what you used to think and what you now think, how you connect, extend, and challenge your learning, what you see, think, and wonder. And also, I would like your responses to be organized into paragraphs by topic, include at least 2 examples from the readings, use quotation marks to show the author's words, and again, peer review each other's postings, respond to at least 2 other peers. I hope this information was helpful. Thank you.